This is Richard with Rako Controls, and in this video I'm going to show you how to configure a wired keypad. So in this example we're going to set up the living room keypad. So we want to find the raise and lower buttons, press and hold them for 2 or 3 seconds until the LEDs start to cycle on the keypad. If everything's wired up right at this point, we should get the pop-up box appear on the screen like so, and we want to give our keypad a name. You might have more than one keypad in a room, so it's just a sort of a reference as to where it is. And obviously we want this to control the living room, so we choose living room from the drop down menu, click next and then click finish, and the keypad will appear on the left hand side under the device list. So once the keypad's online, it will control the room that you've associated it to. There's actually nothing else you need to do at this stage. It will do scenes 1 to 4, raise and lower, and that's it. You should have control of the room. You just need to go around to your other keypads, repeat the process and make sure that everything's communicating and controlling the associated rooms. So that's how you get a keypad online. We're pretty much done now. We just need to upload the project to the bridge to get the iPhone, iPad app working, and that's our system set up. So thanks for watching.